How to get started with stock investing. Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to start investing in stocks, even if you're a complete beginner. Investing in stocks can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. In this video, we'll cover the basics of stock investing, key strategies to use, and common mistakes to avoid. Stock investing involves buying shares of companies listed on the stock market. When you buy a share, you own a small portion of that company. If the company does well, the value of your shares increases. If it doesn't, the value may drop. Before you start investing, it's important to define your financial goals. Are you investing for retirement, buying a home, or building a general savings fund? To invest in stocks, you'll need a brokerage account. This is a platform that allows you to buy and sell shares. Some popular online brokers in the US include Robinhood, Charles Schwab, TD Ameritrade. Investment strategies. There are different strategies to consider, depending on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Value investing. This strategy involves picking stocks that seem undervalued based on financial metrics. Warren Buffett is a famous value investor. Growth investing. Here, the focus is on companies that show potential for above-average growth. These are often tech companies or startups. Dividend investing. Some companies pay out a portion of their earnings as dividends. Investing in these can provide regular income. Understanding the risks. Remember that investing in stocks always comes with risks. Market conditions can change rapidly and stock prices fluctuate. It's essential to diversify your investments to manage risk effectively. Common mistakes to avoid. Many beginners make these mistakes. 1. Timing the market. Trying to buy low and sell high sounds easy, but predicting the market is nearly impossible. 2. Not diversifying. Putting all your money in one stock can be risky. 3. Ignoring fees. Brokerage fees can eat into your profits, so choose a platform with low costs. Stock investing is a powerful way to grow your wealth over time. With the right strategies, you can achieve your financial goals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more finance tips.